Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. English Language Team presents Grade 6, the English Word Course, Unit 7, Lesson 1, Reading, page 76. Of course, I'm teacher Adil Ahmed, and we have this new program. We are going to start with you with this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to have the vocab, the definitions of the vocab, and then we are going to move to the activities. So let's start. First of all, listen to the given vocabulary.
Unit 7, Lesson 1, Reading. Listen to the following vocabulary: province, attractive, experience, delicious, stunning, landscape, fragrant, incomparable.
After listening to these vocab, we are going to know their meanings. After knowing their meanings, we are going to have some activities about them. So let's move now to the definitions of these words.
Now listen to the definitions. Then find the words under the curtain. Province, a region within a country. Attractive, charming appearance. Experience, practical contact with events. Fragrant, it has a pleasant, sweet smell. Delicious, tastes or smells really good. Attractive, causing astonishment. Landscape, the features of an area of land. Incomparable, so much better than another.
Now we listen to the 8 words which I mentioned, I really quoted from the text, and we listen to the definitions. Let me explain. A region within a country. It's a province. It's a, who can say to me? Of course, it's a province. Charming appearance or attractive appearance or great appearance. It's, of course, I mentioned the word. It's attractive. Practical contact with events. It's experience. Has a pleasant or a pleasant sweet smell. It's, as you see, it's fragrant. So now, my friends, we knew the meaning of these 4 words. Let's move to the other 4 words, but of course we are going to listen to the 8 words and then have the exercise.
Now listen to the definitions. Then find the words under the curtain. Province, a region within a country.
These are the previous words.
Charming appearance. Experience. Practical contact with events. Fragrant, it has a pleasant, sweet smell. Delicious, tastes or smells really good. Attractive, causing astonishment. Landscape, the features of an area of land. Incomparable, so much better than another.
So, my friends, tastes or smells, okay, really good. It has a good smell. It's, okay, sorry, it tastes or smells really good, like the food, it's delicious, okay. Causing astonishment or wonder, people ask when they see it. We call it stunning. At the view of time for the first time, it's really stunning when you see wonderful mountains, wonderful landscape, I mean the surface of the earth, wonderful the tourist villages and so on. These are stunning view. It's frankly, most of the view there are natural views, so it's a stunning view. The features of an area of land, the feature of the surface, which is mountain or valley or cultivated land or so and so and so, this is called landscape, as we study in geography. So much better than another, of course, it's incomparable. I cannot compare it with other things or other people or other places. For example, I cannot compare. Mecca is incomparable city because it's a holy city, and of course it's the city of all Muslim, and of course as Muslim we believe it's the center of the earth. So incomparable means distinguished, means great, means it's much better than the other. So we have not a way to compare between it and the other things or other people or other places. Okay, this is incomparable. Now, my friends, we are going to have some activities, very simple activities, frankly, about the lesson and about these definition of words in particular. Let's go. Taif is in the province of Riyadh, Mecca, or Jazan. Yeah, it's in the province of Mecca. Excellent. Enjoy a unique atmosphere of historic Souk Okaz located to the, of course, it comes in a hurry, in the north of Taif, So Souk Okaz, it's in the north of Taif. And when we talk about Souk Okaz, we are talking about history, the history of poetry and prose. Okay, people used to come in the past to Souk Okaz to have poetry competitions. Okay, and of course they for poetry and make other people listen, and this is some kind of competitions in poetry. And of course, as we know in the history of the Arab world, poetry was with great importance. Okay, it was like the media of nowadays. So Souk Okaz is a very important and historical place for men of letters, for people who are interested in literature and in poetry in the Arab world. Anyhow, it's a historical and great place. Enjoy the beautiful sunset on the highest mountain in Taif. What is the highest mountain of Taif? Is it Uhud, Al-Shifa, or Qara? Uhud, we know in Al-Madinah Al-Munawwara. Al-Shifa, of course, is the answer, because really, even if you go to Mecca, you'll find, or go to Taif, you'll find some brands footer which called Al-Shifa, because it comes from this certain place. Al-Shifa there is a mountain, and it's, of course, it's famous. Qara, the last mountain here I mentioned, I want to say something about it. It's in Al-Hasa, and really it's a wonderful place. When we have a lesson about Al-Hasa, we may mention such a great place. So now we knew that Al-Shifa is in Taif, and it has a nice or beautiful sunset. When it's a time of sunset, you can see this charming view and the greatest scene, because it's very high. You can look at the sun, okay, and see this greatest things. Now we are going to have a short passage. Then we are going to listen to it. Then we are going to answer the exercises. Listen. No. We have another question, sorry. The historical used to be the location of many poetry and prose. We said the historical souk ukas. Yeah, exactly. This is, we mentioned, we have pieces of information about souk ukas before.
Listen,
Now
read,
it's the time
then
for
answer the
the
questions.
passage.
Alf is considered one of the most beautiful and fantastic cities in Saudi Arabia. It is a gem in the mountains. First of all, it has an attractive natural park of Al Radaf. It is famous for its amazing rose plantation and fantastic landscape of the mountains. There is much to see and experience in Alf. People can enjoy its delicious food.
Taif is considered one of the most beautiful and fantastic cities in Saudi Arabia. So Taif, of course, is in Saudi Arabia. It's in the province of Mecca. Here is, look at the metaphor here. Look at the description of Taif as a gem, as a precious gold, a precious thing, or a piece of gold, or a piece of diamond in the mountains, or in the mountain. So really, it means that it's a wonderful place. It's a great place. It's a fantastic place, as the writer mentioned here. First of all, it has an attractive natural park of Al Radaf. So in Al Taif, you can see the natural park, or the park which is protected by the government, being great, being important, being a landscape, being a lot of things we can describe at Taif with. It's famous for its amazing rose plantation. In Taif, people used to plant roses. Okay. What else? The landscape, I mean, the surface of the earth of Taif, it's very high because it has mountains. Okay. And in these high mountains, you can see the sunset. Of course, it reminds me with the Tibetan people we studied last year, or in grade 4, I think. So also in the Taif in Saudi Arabia, in the province of Mecca, there are many high mountains, including, of course, Al Shifa mountain. There is much to see and to experience. Experience means to practice, to enjoy in Al Taif. Okay, people can enjoy it's what? Delicious food, because people of Taif are good in making delicious and tasty food. Now let's answer. Why is Al Taif a gem? I leave this answer to think in it. We mentioned a lot of things. We said that it's attractive, the mountains. I'll just give you the clues. Okay? Tick or cross. There is no roses in a Taif. Of course, this is wrong. It's a mistake, because Taif is famous for its roses, the plantation of roses, as it's mentioned in the text. The view of the mountain is very attractive. Yes, it's true. Taif is a diamond or a bad place? Taif is a diamond place. The food in a Taif, diamond means a gem, as it's mentioned. The food in a Taif is, we mentioned before, awful or salty or delicious. It's delicious food. Okay. Now, my friends, I think it's time to have more interactive exercises and activities. So let's go to now to exercises and activities. Yeah, we'll start with this activity. We are going to listen to the word, and then we are going to match the word with the picture, or the sound with the picture. Let's do it now. Look, listen, Yeah. Okay. We can have another word. What's wrong? There's something wrong here.
Plantation.
Plantation, yes. It takes a longer time. I'm sorry. Plantation, yes. Yes. Where's, yeah. I think it takes longer time, but it's anyhow.
Cones.
Cones, yeah. This is cones. That's where is cones. Yes. We mapped this word to the picture. Yes.
Trekking.
Trekking, like trekking by bicycle or by moving on up to the mountains. This is called trekking. Yes. Where like the man, the man is doing that here in this picture. I like this fantastic exercise. Yes, I match. I stick them like glue.
Fascinating.
Fascinating means wonderful. Like the view of the horse here, it's a fascinating view. Let's move this here. Lesson.
Luxury.
Luxury means very expensive.
Luxury.
Luxury. Yes.
Luxury.
Luxury. Yeah, we hear it 3 times. Look at this card. Yeah, this is luxury. This is wonderful. This is an expensive car. An expensive car, as you see.
A gem.
A gem, a precious piece of gold or diamond. Where is it? It's beside it.
A gem.
No, yeah, I forgot. This is a gem. We have to separate this and put it here. We can have mistakes, by the way. No problem, until we reach to the right answer. Yes?
Mountains.
Mountains, yes. Mountains, where is mountain? Yeah, a mountain. This is a mountain. We said that in our life you will find different mountains.
Crater.
Crater. What is the crater here? Crater of the volcano. As in our life we have craters of volcanoes.
Crater.
Yeah, crater is the upper place of a volcano, like this. This is the crater of the volcano.
Fragrant.
Fragrant, as I mentioned before, it has a good smell. Whereas things which has good smell, yeah, this is one. Fragrance. Yes.
Plantation.
Plantation, it's here, like a plantation of a lot of crops. And I think that the type also is famous for its fruits, vegetables, and especially peaches, as it's mentioned here. Maybe you forgot something? No, we don't forget anything. And Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad. MashaAllah, my friends. I write this frankly because I love this exercise. We practice the word, listening to the words. At the same time, we knew the meaning of the words by pictures. It's frankly a new kind of activities. Let's have another also interactive activity. We are going to practice reading the text, but in a different way. We don't forget reading the text, but how we can change the traditional way of reading, we have this close test. There is a delicious or stunning place. Okay, of course it is stunning place as we mentioned. And you can complete the line. It's the city of Taif. The area of Taif offers attractive or charming natural park Of course, it's mentioned in the text attractive. Amazing grows, plantation, yes. These are the key words to understand the text. Fantastic landscape of Pipes Mountain. Tourists can do what? Experience. Experience what? Or practice what? Or see what? Fascinating natural preserve. And what? I think it's delicious food. Yes. Explore, discover, it means discover. Try this amazing activity that the area or the region, not only the area, but only the region is bigger, I think, than an area, a different area. Go trekking in the breathtaking Shifa Mountains. It's very high, so it breathes highly, and you feel fatigued but happy at the same time. Have a picnic in Rodolph Natural Park. Park means a public garden or a place where you can enjoy, you and your family can enjoy visiting it. Visit Rose Plantation, where the fields are filled with little what? Fragrant pink roses. Wow, it has fragrant smells, good smell. Enjoy a unique means distinguished or very distinguished. It's incomparable. It has no equal. Atmosphere. Atmosphere is a general word. It's not describing the surrounding places around us, but it's for every surroundings. Okay? Even the atmosphere of the air or land or water. So the atmosphere is the whole place of the historic Souk Okaz, as we mentioned, and we told you about it. Take a cable car. This is a vehicle from Al Huda. This is a place to car tourist, of course, tourist village. Okay, fantastic. Go on a trip to this crater. Okay, so incomparable volcanic cones. The cones here is a shape, like in geometry, we have shape. Okay, the shape of cone, like the ice cream cone. Try delicious fruit. That Taif region is famous for peaches, not orange, of course, and the rest of these kind of fruits. Enjoy the beautiful sunset on Al Shifa, the highest, of course, the highest mountain. Let's see now. Great, everything is great. I'm happy, teacher Adil, of course. Yeah, these are the words in green can help you to understand and to summarize the text in a perfect way. This, I think so. This is my opinion anyhow. If you have different opinion, it's okay, no problem. Now let's have another activity. Also, this activity is an interactive activity I prepared for the sake of you. Now, it's not this activity or that activity. Yeah, we can have it now. Let's go to our, no, it's not here, sorry. Let's go to our app. Here is in this, I prepared in your book. Let's open it. Let's check now which activity we have. Vocabulary. Now I think that yeah, we did it frankly. We did this activity, okay, by listening, and we did this activity, and I think that we have another one. I'm going to present it now. Okay, I'll present it inshallah tomorrow in the revision. But as you see here, we prepared a lot of things And what I ask you to do is to be different, is to have different ideas, okay, about the topic. Yes. Here is the activity I'm going to do with you. Yes. We are going to complete the sentence with a word or words from just the two parts will make a phrase or a sentence. Exciting trips. What here is, look at the colors here. We cannot match the two colors together. We have, of course, the different as in magnetism. You remember magnetism? Okay, when we have different balls, they attract, but the similar repel. So we have here, as in size, we have two different cards. We are going to match them together. Okay, I'll go on. What there? Of course, I can't do them, but I show you the way of thinking in smell the. Okay, I'm going to think as if I am a student. Okay, smell the. Okay, the fragrance or this part. Exciting trips. Eat, go, eat what? Eat delicious food. Yes. Go on. Maybe you have mistake. Yeah. Oh, look, we cannot put them together. Okay, but we can say meet the friendly people. Go on fantastic landscape. Yeah, it's wrong. Well, if it's wrong, it comes with red. This is the idea of the lesson. Okay, this is called exciting trips, of course. Watch the beautiful sunset and trek across the fantastic. Congratulations, my friends. I'm really happy you did your exercise. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Promise, inshallah, to come tomorrow. Inshallah.